Hey there, how's it going? Good? Let's talk about finding algebraic inverses. So, in case you have forgotten how to do that, I wrote the 4 steps up here on the board. So, if you want to copy this down, pause the video, copy them down, and then restart the video. Okay, you must have copied them, so here we go. So, the first thing it asks me to do on these 4 steps is to replace f of x with y. You're like, why are we doing that? It's easier to deal with a single variable, y, versus the function notation f of x. Yeah? Okay. Next step says interchange x and y. Switch them. You're like, why do we switch them? Here's the deal. If you're finding an algebraic inverse, more than likely this is a one-to-one function, which means on one-to-one functions, the domain and the range switch from the original function to the inverse function. And since the domain and range switch, that means the x's and the y's switch. Hence, interchange x and y. Cool? Step 3, solve for y. Got it. Okay, so to get y by itself in this case, I just have to subtract 4 on both sides, don't I? Wonderful. And then last but not least, it says replace the y with the inverse notation. So the inverse notation is f inverse of x, and that's going to equal, in this case, x minus 4. So in this case, x minus 4 is the inverse function to x plus 4. By the way, don't assume that it remains the same and the sign switches. That's just what happened in this case. This is a pretty simple example. I just needed to make certain you understood your steps and how to apply them. Good? Okay, now I have some examples coming your way. Work on them using these steps before you find my answer key video. Catch you on the flip side.